How's it going, guys? Sheepdog88 here, and today I'm doing a video on installing Talon grips on my M&P Shield. So Talon grips, I started to like them a lot lately. I didn't like their original grips that felt almost like a sandpaper material. However, now they have these rubberized grips that feel really good. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install it on the M&P Shield here. And let's go ahead and do this. So when Talon grips send you these, they send you a little alcohol pad, and you want to clean it really well. But what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go ahead and field strip this. Might make it a little bit easier to work with. So you just got the frame a little bit lighter. Should be a little bit easier to work with. So go ahead and take the alcohol wipe that they supply, and you're just going to clean really well in all the spots that you're going to apply this grip. You want to get all that oil, any dirt, debris, any grease, anything like that, just so it adheres really well. Yeah, they say use rubbing alcohol only. So if you feel like this little wipe isn't enough, if you have rubbing alcohol, you can use that as well. But you don't want to use any gun oil. Right now you're trying to get rid of all the oil. Try to get this nice and clean. Make sure these grips stick on real well, especially on the sides here, front strap. Get that back strap. Alright, so once you do that, you want to make sure it dries completely. So I'm going to speed the process up a little bit with a heat gun. Shouldn't take too long. If you have a blow dryer, you could do that. Or if you have patience, you could just wait. It doesn't take too long. Alright, so I got that completely dry. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to dry fit it. Just make sure everything looks good. Make sure this is the proper one here. Alright, so still working it around here. Just gotta bring it over slightly. Yeah, you don't want to get any air bubbles in here either. Alright, that looks pretty good. So now on the front strap here, what you're going to do is you're going to take it around. You're actually going to lift up. Lift up slightly. Before applying it, pushing it back down there. Alright, so I'm just checking everything, making sure everything looks good. No air bubbles, trying to push everything down. Wow, that feels good already. Alright, now what I'm going to do is apply a little heat, just to almost like cure this glue on here. So let me go ahead and grab the heat gun again and heat this up a little bit. Alright, so on my heat gun, I just have it on a low setting. Don't want to heat this up too much. Just slightly heating it up. Yeah, with a blow dryer it might take a little bit longer, but with the heat gun it should go pretty quick. Now once I heat it up, I'm going to go ahead and press everything down real well. Awesome. Feels pretty good. So go ahead and put the slide back on here and see how it all looks. Nice. So that feels a lot better. A lot better. Gives me a lot of extra grip. Feels good. Now this is my concealed carry, which I primarily carry. I had the Apex trigger on there as well. But yeah, if you guys want to get a Talon grip, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can go ahead and order from them. I mean, they're not too expensive, and they really do change the feel of your pistol up a lot. And the nice thing about these is you can always remove them. A lot of guys go with stippling, but that has got real expensive lately, and it's permanent. It's definitely permanent. Unless you have like a SIG P320, I mean, you can buy a different frame if you screw it up. But yeah, this is a nice alternative. Definitely not as much money, and I think it looks pretty good too. Really finishes off the look on this pistol, and it feels great. If your hands are sweaty, anything like that. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.